In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Grammarly on Windows. If Grammarly isn't fitting your workflow anymore, or you're troubleshooting an issue, removing it cleanly from your PC only takes a minute. I'll walk you through the exact path in Windows so you know you're in the right place, and I'll point out what to expect during the process. First, open the Windows search. You can click the search icon on your taskbar or press the Windows key and start typing right away. Type Settings, and then open the Settings app from the results. This is the central place where Windows lets you manage apps, devices, updates, and more, so it's the safest and most direct way to remove programs. Inside Settings, look for the Apps section. Click Apps, and then choose Installed Apps. On some versions of Windows, this area may be labeled Apps and Features, but it takes you to the same app list you need. You'll now see a searchable list of everything installed on your computer. Use the search box within the Installed Apps view to find Grammarly quickly. Click the search field and type Grammarly. You may see entries like Grammarly for Windows, or a similar name, depending on the version you installed. Seeing it appear here confirms Windows recognizes it as an installed application. Next, find the three dots to the right of the Grammarly entry. This is the More Options menu for that app. Click those three dots, and then select Uninstall. Windows will show a confirmation message to make sure you really want to remove it. Choose Uninstall again to proceed. At this point, you may see a system prompt asking for permission to make changes. Approve it to continue. If Grammarly is running, you might be asked to close it before the uninstall can complete. Go ahead and confirm so the process can continue. The uninstaller will run for a moment. Just let it finish. When it's done, Grammarly will disappear from your list, and it won't launch or run in the background anymore. A quick note for clarity. Uninstalling the app removes it from your PC, but it doesn't delete your documents or your Grammarly account. If you ever want it back, you can download it again from the official website. That's it. Open Settings, go to Apps and Installed Apps, search for Grammarly, click the three dots, and choose Uninstall. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to check out my other tutorials for more quick Windows tips.